Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing Beach Road Walk Pattaya Part 2. Now this is the middle stretch, arguably where Beach Road really gets its groove on. The Beach Road section we are covering today is between Central Pattaya Road and just before Soi 6. Along here you've got outdoor tailors measuring you up for suits on the spot, tattoo parlours with names like Pain Paradise, and expats debating football scores like they're settling international diplomacy. Right here guys is where fashion, philosophy and fried food collide. On one side you've got a guy selling personalised keychains with your name in 5 fonts, and on the other a street magician making a coin disappear and somehow your attention span too. During the day you will also spot the ice cream bike man. The bell sounds like it's calling angels. He pulls up, rings once, and suddenly grown men sprint like it's the last scoop of the season. Along this section you will find plenty of street performers showcasing their talents. Would love to stop and watch these guys do their performance, but due to copyright issues we need to keep moving. This stretch of beach road is where sand meets sin, sunset meets neon, and sometimes relationships last as long as your sunscreen. Along the beach road there are plenty of benches to catch your breath, or sit and watch a beach volleyball game where the competition is only slightly more serious than the karaoke night at the local bar. Now as we are strolling along the middle section of Beach Road, some call it the Golden Zone, but I call it Snack Attack Central. On one side, fried chicken so crispy it echoes down the street. On the other, a vendor selling pancakes with so much Nutella it qualifies as a spiritual experience. Every 10 meters or so, someone's trying to sell you something. Shirts, mango smoothies, hammocks, friendship bracelets, and occasionally eternal happiness. I bought all of them. Still waiting for the happiness bit though. There's plenty of energy here. It's where tourists, fresh off the bus, meet Pattaya's streetwise charm. It's where the backpackers high-five the honeymooners, and a local grandma selling grilled corn outsells the chain coffee shops. This section of the beach road has the Central Festival Mall. It's giant, glowing and air-conditioned. It's where you go to escape the heat. Inside you'll find escalators, designer brands, coffee shops and a large food hall. Now we're coming up to a place that rocks harder than your neighbour's karaoke. It's the Hard Rock Hotel Pattaya. It's not just a hotel, it's an experience. Swimming pools shaped like guitars, live music almost every night, and a vibe that screams, I partied in the 90s and never left. It's the perfect spot if you want Western comfort with Thai energy. This stretch isn't just about walking, it's a sensory carnival. Lights, smells, music, and if you're lucky, a random street performer balancing a bottle on his head whilst riding a hoverboard. You can't make this stuff up, but Pattaya does. Every day. Okay guys, so now I think it's about time I was a bit quiet. I'll let you just take in the vibes as we are walking along the street for the next 2 or 3 minutes. So don't switch off or anything, please enjoy the walk and I will be back to you within next 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the couple of minutes of the local vibes. And now we'll touch upon a subject that happens along Beach Road. Briefly, now as we stroll along a beach road, let's talk about what or who you might see. During the day, it's calm, but when the sun clocks out, let's just say freelancers clock in. Yes, freelancers. And no, not the graphic designers. They're not tied to any bars from Fiverr. These are independent women and sometimes ladyboys offering companionship services. Just to the art of negotiation, and a good spot under the palm tree. But do remember guys, this isn't a shopping mall, it's real life. Respect and safety are the only two currencies. And now for a very short poem. In the shadow of coconut trees, a smile can mean 1,000 fees. So here we are, you've nearly done it. We've made it along to the end of Beach Road, well, the middle section at least anyway. We will be going through the final part, which is going to be the next video, which is the part 3 of this Beach Road walk. So that's something to look forward to next week. Even in the midst of the hustle and bustle of Beach Road, we can take time out, sit down and ponder on the meaning of life in this lovely peaceful surroundings. So guys, if you enjoyed your stroll through the heartbeat of Pattaya, give a thumbs up and remember to put some comments down below. And not forgetting to press the subscribe button. And remember guys, to stay curious and most of all, to be happy. Bye for now.